Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2017 Toyota Corolla IM with the manual transmission. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive hatchback in a head-turning Blizzard Pearl color. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your IM is your backup camera as well as your dual-zone climate control, your heated front seats, and your Bluetooth connectivity.
Helping you into your Corolla is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. This button here flips out your key to put into the ignition. Opening it up now to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a sweet, sporty interior. You have that dark trim on the side there, as well as your power windows and your power locks. You also do have your power adjustable side mirrors with that power folding option. Great for those city driving days when you have to get into those tight spots. You also do have your pre-collision system as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Your Corolla IM comes with a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and tidy. And check out that center detailing in your soft cloth seats that offer the ultimate comfort and driving experience. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Corolla IM, simply flip your key out of your fob there, your foot on the brake and the clutch. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool welcome screen. You also have that sweet blue ambient lighting. Taking a look at your dashboard now, you do have your multi-information display with your Toyota Safety Sense options open. You can control them with your steering wheel mounted controls and controlling things like the sensitivity of the sensor as well as turning on and off those alerts. You also do have your hands-free calling, your volume control voice command, as well as over here you can see you have that manual control for your lane departure alert, and you have your cruise control mounted below there. To tie all that cool sporty style together, you have your leather wrapped steering wheel with your contrasting stitching. And taking a look at your LCD screen here, it's open to your audio system right now, so you have your AM FM radio as well as your USB auxiliary input and your Bluetooth audio. Here you can see that you also have your AHA radio, so you can sync that with the app on your phone. Now shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here. It's a very easy to read system and definitely great to keep everybody nice and safe. Below here you can see that you have your handy dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for both your driver and your passenger side. You also do have your electronically controlled climate control plus that air conditioning, definitely going to be nice during those hot Alberta summers. Below here you can see that you have your 12-volt DC charger, your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side, as well as your USB auxiliary input with your media storage below, which tucks away nicely to keep it nice and clean. You also do have that black trim again with that leather trim on your shift knob for style. And below here you can see that you have your traction control with your cup holders, removable piece, keep everything nice and clean. You also do have that top shelf for any smaller items, and below you have that removable soft mat inside with plenty of space to store everything you need in your vehicle. Inside of your glove box, of course, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla IM. Plus, there's a lamp in there for visibility, and check out that sweet white leather trim and those fan details that we know and love about our Corollas, tying everything together inside. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla IM. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there. You also do have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. And check out those sweet curves that we know and love about our IMs. Opening up that lift gate now. The hatch opens up to plenty of space to store everything that you need. You have that handy skid plate to keep everything protected. You also do have your bag hooks as well as your cargo cover for visibility. And if you need to carry any larger items, you have your 40/60 split folding seats. And you also do have your cargo cover to offer just the right amount of privacy for your back cargo. Underneath your cover here, you do have some additional storage with your tools, your jack, and in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Closing it up now. You have that IM badging, as well as your chrome-tipped exhaust, as we take one more look at the back of your Corolla IM.
Taking one final look at your 2017 Toyota Corolla IM with the manual transmission. Built right into your Corolla is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to ensure that you protect everything that's important to you. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.